Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
As always, before we start, let's start and open our meeting by reciting our basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Is there any absent today? Absent? Or all of you are coming here? Who is absent?
Rania, YSM. Naura, MTK.
Okay, so as you have done with reviewing your friends' question text, now I want you to try to answer the questions that show that has been shown on screen here. So each group A, B, C, D, I'm going to pick randomly one person. It's not going to be two, it's going to be one only. So you have to answer the questions. Okay. I'm going to start from the group B. Okay. So I'm gonna whose possible text did you look at? Please louder. So the first one is that does the text have purpose, content, and steps? Yes or no? Yes. It has. Yes. And then for the second one, are the sentences easy to understand? How about the words? Is it when the basic? Right. Okay, tell me one word. Do you think it's basic word? It's not difficult word. Study. Okay, thank you. And last one. Rena, last one. Are there any spelling or structural errors? Yes or no? No? Okay. No, there are not. Okay. So please look at the questions. For example, number one, that's the text. So you can reply by yes, yes. That will guess it doesn't. Okay. How about for this one? Are the sentences is it easy to understand? Yes. This one. Yes. There are. There's no sentences. One is a negative or sentences are. So, okay. And last one, are there any spelling or something errors? It is a yes. For that, yes, there are. Or for no, no, there are. Thank you, Nana. So the second one, I'm going to pick from this group B, and then Randy. So when you're running, you can please. So whom also text. You have done with reviewing by your friends. This one is one. No, I mean, so you have okay, tell me, Nadine, how about this topic? How to organize study group with you. Now I'm going to ask you number one. Does the text have a purpose, content, and steps? Then how about are the sentences easy to understand? You want to make it simple? Yes. The sentences are. And how about number two, can you tell me which do you think is easy to understand? Remember, then basic one. Then schedule. Last one, are there any spelling or structural errors? Thank you. Why is that? Okay, so now please, what do you think? Anyone, someone please, answer the questions. Question is, what is the easiest and hardest part of writing total text? Easy one, easiest one. When I write about so when you write, total text, which one is the easiest part? Go. Go? Okay, so what was your name? Go, right? Okay, go easy. Okay, thank you. Next for the hardest part. What do you think? The difficult one. Steps. Why? Tell me why. Because. Okay. Yes. Okay, yes. Alias says that it's hard to make sentences because she is not native language. That's the reason why. Maybe because she doesn't have a lot of vocabulary, right? She doesn't know many English, for example. So you're not native, right? So please give a applause for all of us. Semuanya, jangan. Okay, that's all for for the class. Okay, so for the next, I hope that we can get something from what we have learned from the beginning until now, and then as you all know that the most important part of virtual text are topic, and then goals, and then materials, and then and also we also have to remember about like first, second, and then third, and final. Okay, what do we call that? What do we call that? Connect things. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Connected. It is all for now. Let's close our meeting. We're reciting Alhamdulillah together. One, two, three. No. That was the first one. The first, what is that?